Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My viewers and listeners, being a Muslim, we should always try to create ease for the others, especially for the people struggling with the financial crisis. And what a beautiful reward for these helpers. Listen the Hadith Pak. Our master, the last prophet of the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala said, Man yassir ala muhsarin yassar Allahu alayhi fi dunya wal akhirah. Literal translation, Man yassir, whoever creates ease for the others, ala muhsarin, upon the people restricted with the financial problems. Yassar Allahu alayhi, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala creates ease for him fi dunya wal akhirah, in this world and hereafter. Subhanallah. Construction translation, whoever creates ease for the others, and especially the people who are struggling with the financially, having a good news that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is creating ease for him, rewarding it, the ease for him, not only this world, but hereafter. Mind it, this hadith having two outlines in the principle. Number one is always make ease for the people, especially for the financially struggling people. And number two, who do this, having a good news, having a big reward, not only this world, but hereafter from the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What a news, what a big news. And the famous scholars, Abdul Manavi and Mullah Ali Qari and others commentators said, this can entail Muslims and non-Muslims.
The question is
how we can create ease for the people struggling in the financial crisis. There are three ways. Number one, a debtor either owes you or someone else money. If he owes it to you, please give him respite, even the given days passes. And if the amount is large, please try to make it convenient and allow him to repay in installments. And number three, if the amount you can make it full or some part of it, please forgive him. Subhanallah. You know, with this act, how the life of debtors will change. Imagine, please put yourself in their shoe, and then you will understand how the feels. Subhanallah. And you know, what a big reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 283, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala states, وَإِن كَانَ ذُو عُسْرَةٍ فَنَظِرَةٌ إِلَى مَيْسَرَةٍ وَأَن تَصَدَّقُوا خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ. Subhanallah. And if the debtor is in difficulty, so give him respite until he becomes easy to pay back. And if you forgive him, if you forgive him the amount, it's better for you. If you, Subhanallah,
a slight effort is required
to get these people back on their feet eventually and remediate their financial situation. Mind it, this is not an easy job. This is not a small work. When people are afflicted with the natural disasters like earthquake, floods, fire, other natural disasters, they requires immense help. And if you do this, and if you do support of the victims of these events, you will receive abundance of goodness, inshallah, in this world and hereafter as well. Inshallah.